Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Forge Hammer and KingShot. In KingShot, the Forge Hammer is your key to pushing mythic gear beyond its limits through mastery forging. But before you start, make sure your town center and target mythic gear are both at level 20. This unlocks the enhancement feature. Once you're ready, head to your hero gear inventory, select your mythic gear piece, and tap Forge to open the Mastery Reforging interface. Here's where the Forge hammers comes in. Each star upgrade requires a certain number of them. For example, the first star might need 10 hammers, while higher levels demand more. You can earn Forge hammers from several sources such as the Arena Shop, Mystery Shop, VIP Shop, and in-game events like Beer Hunt. Buccaneer Bounty, Champagne Fair, and Alliance mobilizations once you've got enough. Simply apply your hammers, confirm your forge, and watch your gear become stronger than ever. That's how to use forge hammers effectively in KingShot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.